This is the Wildcat Report.
1, 2, 3. Let's go.
The grind of Fall Camp 2026 continues for the Bethune-Cookman Wildcats. Day 4 brought another round of hard hits, intense drills, and the demanding leadership of head coach Coach Woodie.
Everybody stand.
Yes, sir.
Get your in gear.
I rake it out. What you think gonna happen? You gonna recover. Good. Good job.
Play with bent knees, flat back, eyes.
Last year's Florida Classic victory is in the rear-view mirror. Coach Woodie knows this is a new season with higher expectation, fresh faces, and returning veterans all battling to earn a spot in the Wildcats roster. You feel as if everybody has to start from the bottom to be able to level up to where you want them to be able to play because you see the potential in them.
Oh yeah, I mean it's up to us. Coaches coach, players play. When we recruit these guys, we recruit them to come in and be winners, and we recruit them to come in and be better than they was when they entered, and when they depart, they're gonna be winners.
Leadership also comes from experienced players like 4-year Wildcat Steven Sparrow, who understand what it takes to compete at this level and is helping set the standard for younger athletes. What's one thing that you've learned about yourself this camp?
I mean, this camp I really just learned that if I'm going to be a leader, I got to lead all the time. It's a lot of times, and I'm really thankful for my guys. I'm thankful that they always push me when I'm tired, push me when I'm not at my best, and they're there to pick up anything that anything I'm lacking.
One of the newest additions to the Wildcats football program is Whitney Jacobs. As Director of Football Operations and an assistant strength and conditioning coach, she's already earned the respect of the team. Not only because of her leadership, but because players know she expects their best every day. Are you excited to know a little bit more about the Wildcat Nation and the history and legacy that comes behind it?
Yes, actually I've been learning a lot here, excited, especially, being that it's founded from a woman and being here, I think it's great, it's special, I'm excited to be here.
Don't let nobody tell you and dictate the way your career gonna go.
A long, demanding season lies ahead, and these Wildcats are determined to be ready for every challenge that comes their way. Reporting for the Wildcat Report, I'm Sabrina Petit-Helm.